going on, guys? It's your boy Spaceman here, back again with another video. So today I'll be showing you guys how to use green screen. This was requested by a friend of mine. So green screen is a video with a green background which you can add over any other video, and chroma key, as I show you, you can use to remove the green background. So you can grab an image or a video or anything, and then you add your green screen, and then you can put it anywhere you want. Then you tap on the green screen, then you scroll down and you're gonna see chroma key. Chroma key is gonna remove the green background. So you enable it, and boom, the green is gone. So this is basically how you use a green screen. You use the chroma key effect and remove the background. And these two things here are used to adjust the video, the green screen. Yeah, and this is how it looks. So here I'm gonna do another one. Let me look for another green screen real quick. Yeah. So this is something I made for myself. I'll be showing you guys how to make it in the next video. So stay tuned. So you just place it anywhere you want to, and then apply the chroma key and background's gone. So yeah, that's basically it. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Yeah, thank you for watching.
I'm just trying to diamonds plastic, what? Big Jurassic. How she work that booty, man? She doing magic. I like had to have it, life Jurassic. Wait, bitch, on the go, flexing like a pope. I got secrets in my coat. Yeah, Ruby's going through some menopause. You got the pill. Mind all my money, yeah, that's a bare necessity.